Today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer money from TikTok over to PayPal. This is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you want to do is open up the TikTok app, and you can go into the bottom right corner and click profile to get taken over to the profile section of your account. From there you can go into the top right corner and click those three lines, and that will actually give you four different options. But since we're trying to transfer money from TikTok to PayPal, we're just going to go to the second option down, which should be balance. Now from there we'll see a few different options, but we just want to go to the section that says live rewards. And it will then show us how much money is in our total balance. Now as you can see, I don't actually have any money in my account, so it doesn't let me click the withdraw button. However, I will include some photos on screen and I'll guide you through exactly what to do from here. So once you click withdraw, you'll be taken to this page right here. And as you can see in the top right corner, there is actually a button that says add. So when you click add, you'll be able to choose PayPal from the list. And when you select it, your page should now look the same as mine. It will show you that the withdrawal account is going to your PayPal, and it will show you the amount that you have in your account. So what you want to do from there is actually connect your PayPal account. And you can do this by simply logging into your account and then authorizing the connection between them. Once they are connected, you'll then be able to choose how much you want to withdraw, and you can then choose to withdraw that to your PayPal account. So that's how you can transfer money from TikTok to PayPal. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.